The Horn of Africa is burning up. It is official now. It is the worst drought in a quarter century.
Climate justice. What do we want? Climate justice. When do we need it? Now, now. Now, now.
Good evening, world. This is Pan-African Climate Justice Alliance broadcast, a global environment free from the threat of climate change with sustainable development, equity, and justice for all. Please join me now as we follow our cameraman to the Horn of African region and discover some of the damages and loss caused by extreme droughts as a result of climate change. Indeed, it is a cry of justice. Today, East Africa faces its worst crisis in recent history. 21 people across Kenya, Somalia, Ethiopia, and South Sudan face critical hunger.
هذا سي أبار ودعدي حلي وابين وحن كفكرة وحوا برجع هو تبحر العون أنت لقى أركا أنت ما أردت لكم ما تجرب بيه تسكسر هذا تاني.
Goats and sheep died in floods in northern Kenya. Goats and sheep died in the floods, followed by cold winds in northern Kenya. Around 20,000 goats and sheep died last week after extreme rain in Marsabit County. The heavy rains came with colder than normal temperatures and sharp winds. Goyu Gufu, a nomad goat herder, lost all his goats and can't find his camels. The floods followed a drought which already weakened the animals.
Rich industrialized countries that have produced the bulk of emissions and amassed enormous wealth must take this value. Without clear, concrete targets or loss and damage financed, there can be no real progress.
In Africa, average temperatures are rising faster than the global rate. The science is clear. We have to cut our carbon emissions drastically in the next decade. Without taking climate action, extreme weather events caused by a changing climate will irreversibly alter how we live our day-to-day lives. Extreme heat kills. Prolonged heat waves, a consequence of the climate crisis, are beyond what people can cope with.
Climate window is closing. Climate science is issuing an ultimatum. We must have emissions by 2030 and prevent the atmosphere from warming at the current rate. To mitigate droughts and floods, rising sea levels and extreme heat waves, the next few years are critical. 1 in 3 people in East Africa live in extreme poverty. Agriculture is key in reducing poverty and hunger across East Africa, in Kenya, Ethiopia,